for your meals. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just get some space there. You just relax for me. Okay. So basically just getting that hip joint to move.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. But so just a quick one. I went to my physio. I am now going to the salon. I need to go wash my hair and do something. I just unplaited it. This shrinkage fail like is wrong. Yo, yeah. So now let's go to native child to wash the hair and twist it. I don't want anything hectic. I just want something to just twist it. So yeah, and that will be it for today. And this is just going to be a weekend vlog. And today it's Friday. I hope you're gonna be having a fabulous weekend. So yeah, guys, let's go to Northgate. This looks so good. So yeah, I just wanted to tomorrow?
So you were pranking me yesterday. Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today is Saturday, and today we are going to SunCity.
Yay! Angel. Apa raguan?
We are so excited.
You're so excited. Okay. Thank you.
I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment.
Exactly, Papa to a girl. Okay, you can bring my bike now.
Bye. Okay.
So yeah, guys, lumutwile mugelo alona. So I'm taking them to SunCity for a day. Oh, the sun. Yeah, I'm taking them there. So yeah, we are actually gonna leave right now. So let's go spend the day together.
You guys will see us when we get there.
Yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. I'm sure we're not gonna be doing anything hectic, just simple. So they just wanna see. So we're going to show them. Alright guys, I'll see you then.